Hello friends, I am Somnath. So today we are going to see the coordinate geometry. But before the previous one video, we learn about the coordinate and points and the distance between point. So by using that coordinates, we are going to see how we can find the distance by the distance formula. So this chapter is very easy and easiest one to score your marks. So coordinate geometry, if you are given 2 points having different coordinates, so the distance between two coordinates we can find out by the distance formula. So what is the distance formula? Let's see. So under square root x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. So this is the distance formula. So we can write x1 first or x2 minus or y1 minus y2, then the answer can be, both the answers are equal. So what are the x1 and x2, y1 and y2? If suppose 2 points are there, A and B. So A and B having two x and y coordinate. So always first coordinate is x and second coordinate is y. So let's see, A is equal to 2, 3 and B having 4, 1. So these are the two coordinates. So let the coordinates of A are x1 and y1. Similarly, let the coordinates of B are x2 and y2. So what are the x2, x1? We will write all the values. So x1 means 2 and y1 is equal to 3. x2 means 4 and y2 is equal to 1. So first that means x1, y1. So second point, that is x2 and y2. So let's put all the values in our distance formula. So distance formula, x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. So x2 is 4, x1 is 2 bracket square plus y2 is equal to 1 and y1 is 3 bracket square. So 4 minus 2 is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2 bracket square plus 1 minus 3, that is minus 2 bracket square. So we know the square of positive number or negative number is always positive. So 2 square is also 4 and negative 2, that means square of negative 2 is always square is 4 positive. So 4 plus 4, 8. But 8 is not a perfect square. So we can factorize that by using the square of any number. So I will factorize 4 into 2. So 4 is the square of 2. So square root of 4 out of the square root sign. And this 2 is as it is. Therefore the distance between A and B is equal to 2 root 2. So by using this distance formula we can find out any distance of two given points. So this distance formula is very important in this chapter because all the examples are related with the formula. So in some example using one time, having 2 times coordinate 3 times. So let's there are some fractions. So I am choosing that one. तो ये हमें सॉल्व करना है और डिस्टेंस बिटवीन डब्ल्यू एक्स फाइंड आउट करना है. सो the distance formula is the same for all the examples. So let's see first what are the x1 y1 and x2 y2. So suppose the coordinate of w is equal to x1 y1, and similarly the coordinate of x is equal to x2 and y2. So what are the values? So x1 is equal to minus 7 upon 2 and y1 is 4. So x2 is equal to 11 and y2 is equal to 4. So now put all the values in our distance formula. So we are finding out distance between w, x. So x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. So what are the x2? So x2 is 11 minus x1. So minus 7 upon 2 bracket square plus y2 is 4 minus y1 is 4 bracket square. Now 11 minus minus plus 7 upon 2 bracket square as it is plus 4 minus 4 already 0. So 0 square is always 0. So let's see. So we can 11 plus, so 7 upon 2 means half of 7, that is 3.5. So bracket square. So 11 plus 3.5, 14.5 bracket square. So 14.5 square. So we can remove that square sign. Answer will be the 14.5. So distance between the wx is equal to 14.5. So there are only two w and x point, but in some examples, in question number 2, there are 3 points and we want to find out distance between 3, or the 3 points are collinear or non-collinear, we want to see. So let's see the question number 2, how we can solve. So in question number 2, there are 3 points A, B and C. So we want to find out or identify are they are all the 3 points collinear points. So collinear points, that means if these 3 points are collinear, then the distance between AB, BC and AC. So there are 3 distances, but when the 2 distance sum is equal to the third distance, then AB, BC and AC, we want to find out 3 distances. So let's see the first distance, AB. For AB, A and B. So A is 1 minus 3 and B is 2 minus 5. So x1 is equal to 1, y1 is equal to minus 3. x2 is equal to 2 and y2 is equal to minus 5. So what is the distance formula? So distance formula is x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Now put all the values. So x2 is 2, x1 is 1, y2 is minus 5, y1 is minus 3. So write minus 3 in bracket and square. because this is subtraction sign, minus this. So 2 minus 1 is 1 bracket square plus minus 5 as it is, minus minus plus 3 bracket square. 1 square is always 1. Now minus plus minus, so 5 minus 3, 2, and the sign of greater number. So 1 plus square of any negative number is always positive number. So square of minus 2 is 4. So the distance between AB is equal to root 5. Now let's see what is the distance between BC. So B and C. So what are the B? 2 minus 5, C minus 4, 7. So B, x1 is equal to 2, y1 is equal to minus 5, x2 is equal to minus 4, y2 is equal to, so put all this value in equation. So x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. What is x2? Minus 4, x1 2, y2 7, y1 minus 5 bracket square. So minus minus plus, so minus 6 square, minus minus plus, so 7 plus 5, 12, so 12 square. So minus 6 square is 36 plus 144, and 36 plus 144, 6 plus 4, 10, 4, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, and 1 as it is. So 180. So 180 is not a perfect square, but we can factorize that number with the help of square number. So 36 into 5. So 36 square root will be out of the square root number 5 as it is. So 36 is the square of 6. So the distance between B and C is equal to 6 root 5. So the pending distance is now AC. So let's find out AC. AB डिस्टेंस हमने निकाला है, BC भी निकाला है, और अभी AC निकालना है. तो what is the distance AC? Let's see. A and C. So A point are 1 and minus 3, C minus 4, 7. So suppose x1 y1 and x2 y2. So x1 is equal to 1, y1 is equal to minus 3, x2 is equal to minus 4, y2 is equal to 7. Now put all the values in our distance formula, x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. So x2 is minus 4, x1 is 1 plus y2 is 7 minus y1 minus 3 bracket square. So minus minus plus, so 4 plus 1, 5, so 5 square, sign of greater number, plus minus minus plus 7 plus 3, 10, so 10 square, so 5 square is 25 plus 10 square 100. So the addition is equal to 125. 125 is also not a perfect square. We will factorize by using the square number 25 into 5. So square root of 25 is 5 square root 5. So this is the distance of AC. But how we can find out the linear collinear points? So three distances. So AB is equal to 5, BC is equal to 6 root 5, and AC is equal to 5 root 5. So among these three distances, the sum of two distances is equal to third distance, then A, B and C are collinear points. So let's see. So 5 plus 5 root 5. So 5 plus 5 root 5. So is equal to 5 root 5 plus, there is no any number but there is always 1. So 1 plus 5 is equal to 6 root 5 as it is. That means AB plus AC is equal to BC. So the distance between AB plus AC is equal to distance is equal to BC. That means A, B, C, they all 3 points are collinear points. So all the examples in question number 2 we can solve by this method. So you should write all the 3 distances, then you find what are the 2 distances and the sum of 2 distances is equal to the third distance. If that is not equal, then they are not collinear points. If the distances are equal with the sum of 2 distances, then 3 points are collinear points. So thank you so much.